Are you tired of living with joint pain and stiffness? Imagine waking up every morning feeling like your joints are brand new, moving with ease and flexibility. Today, we're revealing the secrets to unlocking ultimate mobility. Get ready to say goodbye to joint pain forever. You may have heard that bone broth is good for your joints, but did you know there are 7 other foods you can add to your diet to help fight joint pain and inflammation? These foods are packed with collagen, the essential building block for healthy joints, skin, and hair. And the best part, they taste delicious. In this video, we'll take you on a culinary journey to discover these 8 must-have collagen foods. From nourishing broths to superfood salads, we'll show you how to incorporate collagen-rich ingredients into your daily meals in exciting and easy-to-prepare recipes. But that's not all. We'll also share some incredible health benefits of collagen you didn't know about. You'll learn how collagen can improve your digestion, strengthen your nails, and even enhance your skin's elasticity. So if you're ready to transform your health and unlock a world of benefits, stay tuned. Let's dive in and uncover the 8 collagen-packed foods that will make joint pain a thing of the past. Now let's get cooking. Start your day off right with a nutritious breakfast that will fuel your body and support healthy joints. Picture this: a steaming bowl of creamy scrambled eggs topped with a sprinkle of fresh parsley. But there's a secret ingredient that will take these eggs to the next level: a spoonful of bone broth. Bone broth is a rich source of collagen, an essential protein that helps maintain strong and flexible joints. Simply whisk a few tablespoons of bone broth into your eggs before cooking, and you'll not only boost your collagen intake, but also add a savory depth of flavor to your morning meal. This simple trick is a delicious way to start your day with a nourishing breakfast that supports healthy joints. Plus, collagen can help improve gut health, strengthen hair and nails, and even aid in weight loss. It's a true superfood. So next time you're making breakfast, don't forget the bone broth. Your joints will thank you. For lunch, let's whip up a vibrant salad that celebrates the power of plant-based collagen. No meat or bone broth needed. This salad is a delightful combination of mixed greens, juicy tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, and creamy avocado. But what makes this salad truly special is the homemade citrus vinaigrette. This tangy and refreshing dressing is packed with collagen-boosting ingredients like fresh lemon juice, zesty orange juice, and a dash of apple cider vinegar. The acidity in these citrus juices helps stimulate the production of your body's natural collagen, promoting healthy joints and skin from within. To make this salad, simply toss all the ingredients together and pour the citrus vinaigrette on top. You can even add a scoop of your favorite nut butter for extra protein and healthy fats. This salad is not only a feast for the eyes, but also for your body, providing a nutrient-dense meal that supports overall wellness. When it's time for dinner, let's turn up the heat with a comforting chicken and vegetable soup. This soul-warming dish is a powerhouse of collagen and antioxidants. Imagine tender chicken simmered in a rich and flavorful broth, alongside an abundance of fresh vegetables such as carrots, celery, and onions. The chicken adds a significant amount of collagen to the soup, while the vegetables provide essential nutrients and antioxidants. To boost the collagen content even further, consider adding a few chopped chicken feet or cartilage to the mix. These often overlooked parts of the chicken are rich in collagen and will give your soup an extra dose of joint-supporting goodness. Season the soup with herbs like thyme and rosemary for added flavor and health benefits. The aromatic broth is not only delicious but also helps nourish your joints and strengthen your immune system. It's the perfect comfort food for a cozy night in. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure with these flavorful pork and shrimp skewers. These bite-sized morsels of deliciousness are marinated in a savory blend of soy sauce and honey, then grilled to perfection. The pork and shrimp are not only tasty, but also excellent sources of collagen. The marinade adds a rich, savory flavor that complements the natural sweetness of the shrimp and pork. To boost the collagen content even more, try adding a splash of orange juice or pineapple juice to your marinade. The acidity helps your body absorb collagen more efficiently. Serve these skewers with a side of brown rice or quinoa for a complete meal that supports healthy joints and satisfies your taste buds. It's snack time and we've got a treat for you. Picture this: crispy baked pork rinds seasoned with a zesty lime and chili powder. These crunchy snacks are not only fun to eat, but also packed with collagen. Pork rinds are a fantastic source of this essential protein, which helps maintain strong and flexible joints. The baking process ensures a healthier alternative to fried snacks, while the seasonings add a burst of flavor in every bite. For a quick and easy snack, grab a bag of pork rinds and enjoy the satisfying crunch that supports your body's collagen needs. Let's dive into a dish that's both visually stunning and packed with collagen. Meet the rainbow fruit salad, a vibrant medley of fresh fruits such as mango, papaya, and guava. This tropical delight is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of antioxidants and enzymes that support collagen production. The combination of these exotic fruits creates a unique and refreshing flavor profile that will tantalize your taste buds. To make this salad, simply chop the fruits into bite-sized pieces and toss them together. You can even add a squeeze of lime juice to enhance the flavor and provide an additional collagen boost. This salad is a perfect light lunch or a delicious dessert that nourishes your body and brings a taste of the tropics to your plate. Now let's explore a dish that celebrates the beauty of simplicity, the classic egg drop soup. This comforting soup is not only a beloved comfort food, but also a collagen-rich delight. Imagine a rich and flavorful chicken or vegetable broth topped with a mixture of beaten eggs and a sprinkle of green onions. The eggs add a generous amount of collagen to this already nourishing soup, making it a perfect choice for supporting healthy joints and skin. The broth provides a comforting warmth, while the green onions add a fresh, vibrant flavor. Whether you're feeling under the weather or simply craving a cozy meal, egg drop soup is a delightful way to nourish your body and soul. Last but not least, let's indulge in a dessert that's both decadent and collagen-rich. Picture this: a luscious chocolate avocado mousse. This rich and creamy dessert is a perfect ending to a delicious meal. The avocado provides a creamy texture and a dose of collagen, while the dark chocolate adds a luxurious flavor and antioxidants. To make this mousse, simply blend ripe avocados, cocoa powder, and a touch of sweetness until smooth and creamy. You can even add a splash of vanilla extract or almond milk for extra flavor and richness. This dessert is not only a crowd pleaser, but also a guilt-free indulgence that supports healthy joints and satisfies your sweet tooth. If you want to take your collagen intake to the next level, consider taking a hydrolyzed collagen supplement. Hydrolyzed collagen supplements are an easy and convenient way to boost your daily collagen intake, which can support healthy joints, skin, and hair. We've shared 8 delicious ways to add collagen to your diet, but the journey to better joint health doesn't end here. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.